welcome to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about ASUS compact desktop PC 3 series. So friend, a total of 7 variants of compact desktop PC 3 series from ASUS with Windows 11 pre-installed were unveiled and are planned to launch on the late May. And friend, the PN41-S1 is the smallest 115mm square desktop PC that has been announced to date. And friend, it has a Celeron N5100 processor, 4GB of RAM, 64GB of eMMC storage and fanless drive. And friend, the network is 2.5 Gigabit LAN, Wi-Fi 6 wireless LAN, Bluetooth 5.2 and pre-installed operating system is Windows 11 Pro 64-bit. And friend, the VC66-C2 series is a tiny desktop PC that supports the Intel Core CPU of the 10th generation and offers 4K UHD output and triple storage. And friend, the product line includes 3 models: Core i3-10100 and 256GB SSD, VC66-C2B3203AN, Core i5-10400 and 256 SSD, VC66-C2B524AN and Core i7-10700 and 512GB SSD, VC66-CB27205AN. And friend, in each instance the memory is DDR4 8GB. The network is Gigabit LAN, Wi-Fi 6 wireless LAN and Bluetooth 5.0, and the pre-installed operating system is Windows 11 Home 64-bit. And friend, the main body has a width of 177.4mm, a depth of 153mm and height of 74.1mm and a weight around 1.5 kg. And friend, the PB62 series is a high performance model with Intel Core CPU of the 11th generation, Core i5-10100, 256GB SSD, 8GB memory, PB62B3273AH, Core i5-11400, 256GB SSD, 8GB memory, PB62B5274AH and Core i7-11700, 512GB, 16GB memory, PB62B7275AH. The network is Gigabit LAN, Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2 and operating system is Windows 11 Home 64-bit. And friend, the main body has a width of 175mm, depth of 175mm and a height of 44.2mm and weight is around 1.3 kg. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.